The Portable Executable (PE) format is a file format for executables, object code, DLLs, and other used in 32-bit and 64-bit versions of Windows operating systems. The format has retained limited legacy support to bridge the gap between DOS-based and NT systems. For example, PE COFF headers still include a DOS executable program, which is by default a DOS stub that displays a message like "This program cannot be run in DOS mode" or similar, though it can be a full-fledged DOS version of the program, a later notable case being the Windows 98 SE installer. It's this thing here. The DOS stub. The little message you see when trying to run Windows programs under DOS. Wait, what? Who runs anything under DOS these days? If you are not a retro gamer or not playing a lot of CTFs, you probably don't need to use DOS that often. But if you do use DOS, ever wanted to make this message a bit more custom? Let's try to put something else there. We can manually modify the bytes and get something working. But if we want to make this really unique, this way it might be too difficult, as we would need to modify non-string bytes or push bytes out of the place. We need to find a better approach. And there is one. Visual Studio's linker has an option to specify a DOS stub. We can provide a path to a program that will be put in the resulting file. Let's see if that works. We create a simple C++ program, and in the settings we specified stub options, providing a link to a 16-bit executable, and hit build. Where to get a 16-bit program? You can write one yourself, of course, but this stub is not cool enough. I've recently posted a Twitter message that I was working on a new DOS stub that use fire and scroll effects to print the message. So let's see if we can make this happen. The fire and scroll program itself works under DOS, but if we use it as a stub, something breaks. It does not work at all or displays some artifacts. Some simpler graphics effect works. So there must be something different between them, and of course I immediately spotted the difference. The fire effect uses 64K buffer for a double buffering. If you made it smaller, it might work. The problem with this buffer is that it's not dynamic, so maybe there is some limitation that we are hitting. We need to get rid of this buffer. Another way would be to hold only parts of the screen that needs to be used for calculating new flames, or to use some EMS DOS trickery to allocate, this time dynamically, the buffer needed for the double buffering that we are doing here. Let's see if we can get rid of this double buffering and it will still work. Maybe if we remove a bit more. And more. And with that change, let's compile. And now we need to compile our host program with the new DOS stub. Interestingly, the binary with our big stub weighs less. Something to look into? Executing under Windows still gives us a regular message, but under DOS, voila! Our new customize plus fire plus scroll effect that prints "this program cannot be run in DOS mode" is working. Enjoy! I hope it was fun and educational video. Maybe next time we'll try to put Volt 3D clone as a DOS stub?